Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's actually fall, my favorite season of all. And not only that, I'm so excited for this month because it's my birthday month. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, as you guys, you don't know, but my birthday is actually the 31st of October. Yes, I know it's on Halloween day, but I do not celebrate Halloween. No, don't like it, will never celebrate it. But, I'm so excited. That is my birthday. So I don't associate my birthday with Halloween, no, because I don't celebrate it. But I'm super excited for this month. Oh my goodness. Oh, today I decided, since it's fall, it's actually my favorite season, I'm going Burgundy. Yes, I'm going Burgundy today. So I'm super excited, guys, but you know what? Let me get into this makeup. So I'm going to be priming my face, and I'm using the e.l.f. primer. And I've been using the NYX Matte HD primer, but you know what? I need to start using another primer that's more moisturizing, that's not that matte, because I do have dry skin, and I think I need to go with something a bit more moisturizing than the matte primer. So I'm going to be using two foundations today, and I'm going to be going in with the Fenty and the Estee Lauder, and the color I'm using in the Fenty is 420, and I'm using for the Estee Lauder 5 and 2 amber honey. So I'm going to be mixing both, because you know what, I like mixing my foundation for some reason. Even if they they match my skin tone, I do like mixing foundation. I'm so liking these foundation. I do, the Fenty is actually one of my favorite, and the Estee Lauder, I think the Estee Lauder, it's medium coverage. I do like it a lot. And I tend to use a lot of foundation. I can say that. I do like to use a lot of foundation. Next, I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown concealer, and it's in the color Golden. So I'm going to be using that for my under eye and the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to be using it as well on my forehead. This is so thick. Oh my goodness, it's so thick. I'm really not a fan of the Bobbi Brown concealer because it's super thick. And I don't like thick concealer, so I'm just blending that out, and I'm not going to take it all the way here to my temple. I just wanted my face not to look wide, so I'm not going to take it all the way to my temple, because I think that just let your face look a bit broader. I mean, it's a nice concealer, I do like it, but to use it on a regular basis, nah. I prefer to use my LA Girl Pro concealer. I think it's one of the best concealer out there. I'm going to be going ahead and use my Laura Mercier, the setting powder, and I'm going to be setting the area that I apply my concealer. And I'm using the same beauty blender. I'm just using the same one. Contour, and I'm going to be using, I normally use the Black Radiance as a contour powder. I've never, before I used cream contour before, but, I can't control it that much. It's too much for me, so I just stick with powder contour. It's easier for me to handle. Next, I'm going in, and I'm going in with Sephora. I'm going in with the Sephora pressed powder, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my face. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe. Yes, I love my Morphe palette and the Juvia's palette. Those are my absolute two favorite palette. So I'm going to be going in with their fall palette, and it's the 35F palette, and I'm going to be going in with this color right here, this one. To be blending it, and you know, I need to take it a bit higher, so I'm going to go a bit higher with the eyeshadow that I'm using. I'm not going extreme today. I'm not looking for, you know, an extreme look. Next, for my transition color, I'm going to be going in with this color right here in my Juvia's palette, and it's Jamila. So this is the color right here. Okay, so next from my Morphe palette, the same one, I'm going in with this color right here. It's kind of a burgundy color, so that's the one I'm actually going for. I was looking for something a bit more matte, but I'm just going to go in with it. The reason why I'm liking Morphe so much, the color of their palette is so pigmented. For them and Juvia's palette, it's so pigmented. I'm loving their palettes. And I just wanted to say happy birthday to all the people that born in my month's birthday, October. So happy birthday to all the people, you know, who are having birthday this month. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for life. I'm so excited. And as I'm doing this makeup look, it's actually my husband's birthday, and we're going out, so yeah. You see why your girl is getting all glam up. It's my husband's birthday, and I'm doing this makeup now, and then we go out. And I know I need to hurry a bit, because when it comes to time, I need to step it up. I can't always be so late. It's not that bad, but I don't like to be late. So yeah, so I'm trying to hurry, so you know, I don't have him waiting. I'm just lining my waterline with this black eyeliner. I'm just going to go in and blend it out a bit, because you don't want it to look so harsh. So I'm just kind of blending it out. I never plan on going, you know, with smoky under eye, but I think I'm just going to do it because, you know what? Let me look extra beautiful for my baby today. So now I'm going in with that same burgundy eyeshadow that I use on top of my eye. So I'm going to be going in with that for my under eye. Back with my Sephora pressed powder, and I'm just going to kind of apply that all over my face. To be going in with my blusher, and as you know, I'm using my e.l.f. blusher, and I normally use this color. I don't use all the other colors, so you know, that's the only blusher I use. So let me go ahead and apply that. I'm going to let that dry a bit before, you know, I put my lashes on. And in the meantime, I'm going to be applying my highlighter. And the highlighter I will be using, which I always use the Revolution Strobe highlighter because it's my absolute favorite. And I'm going to be using that one today. And you know what, I can't find the name of the color on it, but you know, it looks like this. And I'm going to do a swatch for you. This is what it looked like. It's actually a beautiful color. You know, it's kind of a gold color, and I'm absolutely loving this color. Look at this, guys. It's so pigmented. I'm telling you, if you want highlighter, the Revolution Strobe, it's one of the best to me. It's absolutely beautiful. They're doing a pretty good job on their highlighter, I'm not going to lie. I like their palette, but I'm telling you, this is absolutely beautiful when it comes to their highlighter. Yes, I think they have been stepping up their games with their makeup product. And the foundation, I haven't tried the foundation yet. Oh my goodness, I've seen so much about so many reviews about their foundation, and I'm definitely going to be trying that. So I'm absolutely excited to try their foundation. So that should be my next makeup, not sure, but I'm definitely going to be trying it. So now I'm going to be putting a bit of the highlight on the bridge of my nose. Right here on top of my lip. And a bit on my chin. Yeah, I'm going hard for my baby tonight. Even though he doesn't care for all the makeup and stuff, he likes seeing it. I mean, whenever I'm doing my makeup video, my husband is always sitting over there and he's watching. And it lets me feel so good. I'm like, baby, what look you want me to do tonight? He's like, you know what? You know, to do your thing, just do it, baby. But he likes me in red lipstick. Oh my goodness. But, you know, I'm going burgundy for him tonight. Ooh, you know, a girl can't go wrong with red. Let me be quiet for a minute. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to be using are these lashes. Here you go. And they're the mink lashes, and I purchased them on what is it, AliExpress? Yes, let me tell you, if you want mink lashes, go check AliExpress. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm just saying, don't spend all that money on lashes. Check out AliExpress. A lot of time people are purchasing them in Ali and, you know, resell them. So if you want to pay less, go check Ali out and get your lashes. You can even get it on Amazon, I think. Yeah, you can get it on Amazon. So whichever you choose. If you want to spend a lot, go ahead. If you want to spend less, then check Amazon or AliExpress. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, and now for the lips, I'm going in with my MAC lip liner, and I'm going to be lining my lip with that. So I'm going to be going in with my Milani Burgundy lipstick, and it's in the color 20 Sugar. I'm going in with my mascara lastly. Okay guys, and that's it for the finished look. And you know what, I left my setting spray in the bathroom, and I'm not going to be getting up to go get it, but this is the actual finished look. I'm liking this look. I'm liking it. So I'm trying to hurry up because it's getting so late and I need to go out with my baby. So yeah, happy birthday to everyone that's having birthday for the month of October. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited, and I will be posting a lot more makeup video for this fall because it's my absolutely favorite, especially in the month of October because it's my birthday month. So I'm going to be posting a lot more look, and I hope you guys do enjoy this look. Thank you for watching. And yeah, this is the same hair I'm wearing. It's just that I dyed it brown, and I'm absolutely liking this color. I think I'm going to be wearing this color a lot more than the black ones. But thank you all. I do love and appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a lovely day. And remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.